if you think about it in the bureaucratic legalistic sense, sa totoo lang, napakahabang proseso ng ICC na yan. OMG. Matanda na tayo, baka hindi pa tapos yan. The ICC is a powerful sword of Damocles in as much as publicity is concerned. Kasi lahat ng findings ng the ICC can be used as a vehicle to really portray, and the proper word really is to demonize.
To make you a pariah.
Oo, former President Rodrigo Duterte, no? Gagawin dyan talagang lahat ng mga findings or initial investigations ng ICC, ilalabas lahat ng news networks yan na talagang pinatay niya, pati bata, pati madre, pati pati mga di ba?
War criminal, parang gano'n ang mangyayari.
Ginawa niyang soup, hot pot soup, yung mga biktima niya, parang ganyan, pinakain sa crocodile. And all sorts of really wild, and I'm not saying the ICC is incompetent. I'm saying they will use their findings to really drum up the fact and demonize PRRD. But if you think about it in terms of actual bureaucratic and legal weight, matagal yan, matagal na proseso, napakatagal na proseso niyan. And to Michael's point, I think even if PRRD does run and win, I think under the law he's still not exempt.
Walang immunity. Just like parang kahit nga local laws si former Senator Laila De Lima, senator, napakulong, parang gano'n. So walang immunity din.
Crimes against humanity ang nito ang banat nito. So wala kang immunity.